Good morning. Ira Epstein with your Morning Flash Update. And this update is for the morning as we're here now on Monday, the 23rd of October, 2023, 8:10 a.m. Central Time. So over the weekend, what do we see? We saw convoys. I think 3 days now worth of convoys. Not very many each day, 20, 15, 17, something like those numbers going in. And they'll keep them throttled back as the pressure is on Hamas, release more prisoners. We're holding off the Israeli invasion. The excursions by the Israeli army into Gaza has taken place. Soldiers, Israeli ones, are getting killed. They are waiting in traps. Hamas, they see them coming, and then they take them out. It's really that simple. It's difficult, but it sounds terrible when I say the word simple, but that's what it is. And I don't think you've seen anything. I think when the Army goes in, they are just waiting there for years of booby traps, and how you get them all out and go door to door and do the fighting, don't know. That's probably part and parcel why they're in leveling areas where they think, hey, this is going to be too difficult. And then the other warfare begins. Is peace on the horizon? Doesn't look like it. The Gerald Ford group stays where it's at, but the Dwight D. Eisenhower group is now moved closer to Iraq and Syria, and they're bringing in more ships to support the Gerald Ford, and they're bringing in other types of batteries so that they can defend should players, namely Iran, decide to get involved. As for economic data in the United States, none today. But we do have in the House, we've got people talking how many are going to run. So what if I told you today 9 people have been caucusing for tonight's caucus meeting? There'll be a vote supposedly held tomorrow with these 9. You're days away, if not a week away, from knowing if we can even get a House Speaker out of those 9. So it's a real mess, and money's not getting put where it should be. You know, we look pretty stupid at this point in time, in my opinion. We can't even get the parties to agree to get a speaker. That's rough. In the metal markets, down a little bit. Why? Because Israel didn't invade. So it got down a lot more than this, and it's picked up as the morning has gone on. The dollar index is still drifting. If you look at the euro, just sort of sitting here, gaining on the dollar ever so slightly. In the British pound, a little bit of a rally. Japanese yen broke through Friday's lows, getting a small bounce, not really doing anything. The 10-year note cleared the 5% range. Nothing really big happened. As Israel hasn't invaded, the war premium you put in over the weekend because you don't know what's going to happen comes out of the market, and then the process starts again. That's the way you have to look at it. In the grain markets, we had a heck of a rally last week. Now the setback comes in. Where's the support going to show up? And are the harvest lows in? Those are the things that I think traders want to look at. So I know for me, I saw that the markets took on a little different character today, and I started putting out recommendations last night in the currencies that did get filled for my clients. You might want to follow some of those. And a couple of things that you can do, and do remember this. If you use TradingView, all of my suite of indicators that you're seeing when I do my charts are there. So we have 6 indicators that we've put together for you. My swing lines that connect the previous day with a line, up, down, sideways, where's it going to go? The different moving averages. The Bollinger Bands will be included in the suite. Window envelopes. Then my version, the way that I do slow stochastics with my formula, and last outside day bars, because they are very important. And when you put them together, you get an idea. This will take up 2 pairs of what you're doing. That's all it's going to take up. It gives you a lot of room left with it. How do you get this and how do you sign up for everything with it? Very, very simple. You go to our website, iraepstein.com. When there, on the very top right, you're going to see Client Center because you'll be one of our clients. Go up there, you'll see TradingView indicators, away you go. You can move your cursor right to the top here. I'll have a link there. It'll take you right into the TradingView indicators as well. And one other thing, if you look on the blue here, you will see that if you wanted to join my morning subscriber video, you can do it right through YouTube. Just give it a click. We put up all the different parts to it, and then as soon as I click on member, you get it. You get notice that it's posted for you. I'm Ira Epstein. Good to talk to you. See you at the end of the day with our market wrap-up.